Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add colors here in drawio. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in drawio, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding colors to shapes, text, or the canvas in drawio is a straightforward process that can enhance your overall feel. So once you are logged in to your account here, I want you to first is add some diagrams or shapes here in your canvas. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one, for example. Let me click this. And then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger for you guys so you can see it, and then add a connector right here, probably this, and then add maybe an actor right here. How about this one? So for you to be able to add colors here for shapes, all I have to do is go to, when you click on it, all right, it would give you an option for the text right here, arrange, and the style. Now for the style, you can choose from any of the following colors. You can choose from any of these. For example, we're going to be choosing something this, right? You can also increase the line, for example, this, or a dotted line. Let's increase that. Perimeter and the opacity, all right? Same goes here for the other shapes. You can put in a different color that you wanted. You can be vivid about it. So for example, I'm going to be choosing green. Now for the text, if we're going to add a color for our text, let's say this one right here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Make it like around 48 maybe. And then on the side for the text, for you to be able to add colors, go to the font color. Maybe we're going to choose something like pink. Apply, and then the background color is something like, maybe we're going to be choosing a little bit of green. So there you go. So these are going to be some of your options in adding the colors. All right. Now, if you want to add a background color, all you have to do is go to the extras, click on it, go to appearance, and click the dark option. So you notice that we're able to change the background to the whole canvas, right? Now, doing all of these improves the visual clarity because you can use bright or contrasting colors to draw attention to critical nodes, processes, or decision points. Different colors can help distinguish between sections or categories, making the diagram easier to understand. Colors can visually segment dense information, helping viewers process it more effectively. And as you can see, a well-chosen color palette can make diagrams more visually appealing and less tiring to look at. So, of course, if you're working with your client or with your team members, it's kind of like giving a color-coded legend, and it helps clarify meaning and ensures everyone is on the same page. Now, once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click the save button. You can export in different file formats or share it to your client by clicking the share button. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.